Bigger na gay. This is California poppy gay. California poppy. We need to transfer to the pot. This is the California poppy gay. This one is Chinese Sino blossom. That one. Transfer to the pot gay. Planting new Sinnia gay. This is Sinnia seed. The water is running. Watch Simpan Sunday guy in online.
And at that time, they had a notorious prisoner called Barabbas. So when they had assembled, Pilate said to them,
"Which one do you want me to release to you, Barabbas or Jesus?"
Look at that. So pretty. I'm looking the vine of that guy. I think right there. Over there. Look that over there. This one. Because I need to plant. I need to plant in the front yard guy. Ang puno gay anak gay hanggang doon. Sa puno. Ano yung puno gay o? Ano kung kumanto dito gay bisa may biti. Ito yan siya guys. Oh. Tanggalin ko. Ito guys, ito. Itatanim ko siya. Ganyan siya. Ang ganda. Tapos ito yung siya. Subukan kong itanim. Hindi ko alam kung mabuhay siya. Try ko siya kung mabuhay siya. I'm not sure ba. Yung ba? Yung ba? Look at that, ang dami. Parang tutubo. Subukan ko lang siya. Tingnan ko mabuhay ba. Not sure. Kung mabuhay, maigi. Kung hindi okay na. Try lang. Kasi magandang naligo ko din. Try lang natin kung mabuhay siya. Let's see. Kasi ito yung apat doon ko tayo sa trying to plan here guys. I don't know if this is grow, huh? Try only. I don't know if this one is have seed. need to care for this guy because have poison ivy here very. I show you guys the poison ivy that last time touching my skin and so very itchy guy. Oh my goodness, almost 1 month before cure. You see that? The tree that? Be careful that guy. Don't touch that because so very itchy. That? That? Parang sa ating is alingatong. Nadali ako last year guy. Let's see guy. Maybe our order on Amazon is here. Huh? Nothing here. Oh, in the mailbox. Hi guys. Happy Tuesday. Oh my goodness, lot of houses here guy is for sale. This one for sale. That. And this one for sale. Lot of house for sale here. Left and right house here for sale guy. Because the land rent is go up. Ours now is 600, 500, 600. Some is 800. They always trim that because very quick to climb up. Hi guys, unboxing guys. We ordered this guy from Amazon. This is beads because we need fashion jewelry guys. And we ordered this guy few days ago. I think 4 days ago. And here na, very quick. Oh wow. Thank you mahal. We ordered guys, but the 2 promo take 2 weeks guys because I think that is from China. Wow, very nice guys. This one guys, made in China also. See, and this one have ano na siya, elastic string. Oh, this is very nice guys. At least at that. This is very nice because already have ano mahal. Oh, including the box. Oh, very nice. Oh. Including the box siya guys. Box and then this one including right here. Lot of including. I think you paid this $10, right?
I think it was quite $10. I mean, $10.
Yeah, $10 I think. Including na everything. This is nice. I'm exciting. We need to do ano guys. Ring, earrings, and necklace. This one also. And the other one, what is this? The other one. This is the cross, guys. Metal cross. So, yeah. We make an, guys, what is called that? Oh, nice. Oh, this is the cross. We make a rosary or necklace. Pwede siya, guys. We do necklace this, guys. Nice. Everything this guy is, what is called that? The design is cross. And the other one. This one, the hook of the earrings. Yeah. One. So we can do earring. Yeah, this is hook, guys. I like that. How to do that? I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Like that. Earrings. Access earring. The other one, different design. Earring also. Pare, hindi. Pare, sino ba? Oh. Earring hook. And that's it, guys. Up dito our Sinya, guys. 3D Sinya and Aero Garden. And look. Very quick, guys. Grow already. 3 days lang to, guys. Wow. Everything is grow. Nice. I think the seed we put that is good seed. Yeah, guys. The other side. Yeah, grow also. Yay. 3D Sinya. We need to open na, guys. Look, it's grow. 3 days pa lang to, guys. This one we need to plant this tomorrow outside. Sunflower tong tatlo, guys. The other one is tomatoes. This one poppy meats. The other one cynolosum. That one planted tomorrow. Hi guys, grocery shopping from Walmart last week of March 30 today, guys. Panko breadcrumbs. This one tomato sauce, pasta, cappuccino, Kinder seasoning, jasmine rice, potato, onion, towel, paper towel, shrimp, noodles, sliced bread. Look at it, guys. That's a lot. This one, orange, clementine. Mandarin man to, mandarin. This is mandarin. Look like yak, guys. Yakult.
Asparagus was $1.97. Asparagus was $1.97.
Okay, $1.97. This one, guys, the ground beef. And this one, avocado. And the asparagus, guys. Look at the asparagus, guys. So very cheap, guys. The asparagus here. This is $1.97. Almost 1 pound, guys. This is 13.5 ounce. Almost 1 pound. And so very cheap. In the Philippines, I saw, guys. So that's why I'm not buying to the asparagus in the Philippines. Because look like 5 stock of this. The bigger stock is almost $2 na, guys. 100 pesos. But this one, look. Very cheap. And fries. Hotdog buns. Burger buns. Bacon. Hotdog. Butter. cookies, the egg, and broccoli, and the banana. And everything guys is $95 and 57 guys pesos.